how to generate a YouTube video script using WriteSonic. So for this one, let's head over and click on this video. And then for this one, let's scroll down until we can see this YouTube video script. Let's click on this right here and then put in here your video topic. So for this one, I'll head over and put in here exercises to relieve pressure. So let's put that. And then I'll head over and use this and click on next. And then the target audience right here will be beginners and as well as the elderly. And then click on this next. And then this will put this specific exercises. I'll head over and put in here such as standing and chair exercises and then click on next. Then put in here the video style. It will be something like a combination of demonstration and talking head. Then click on this generate. Once we have done that, this will generate the video script for us. So just wait right here in order to actually finish this particular process. We have in here we have the introduction, the stretches, and everything that we want to use for this case. So just head over and then use this to your liking. So that's how you generate YouTube video script using WriteSonic. Hope we helped.